Today, we're going to be talking about the law career path. My name is Karthik Rajashekar, and I am a part of Dream Big. Here is our roadmap for this presentation. It will go through high school, undergraduate, law school, board exams, jobs in the law field, and jobs outside of the law field. High school. In high school, it is important to take a rigorous course load and achieve high grades in all of them. This means that whenever possible, and if you have time, you should take as many AP and honor courses as possible. Joining clubs like mock trial and speech and debate will help you develop your public speaking skills and how to win debates. This will show universities that you have an interest in such a career. High school students can also apply for internships at their local court to work with actual lawyers and get an inside perspective on the career. Undergraduate. In undergraduate, you won't have to complete any pre-law program. You can choose any major and take any classes you want since law school does not have any prerequisite courses. Some popular majors that pre-law students take are political science, criminal justice, psychology, and economics. Whatever class you take, make sure you get good grades so that you stand out when you apply to law school. While you're not restricted class-wise, you need to take the LSAT to get into law school. Similar to the SAT and ACT for high school, the LSAT is a standardized test for students who want to go to law school. Getting a high score in this test will be beneficial when applying. Another important thing to get is letters of recommendation from your professors. By building relationships with your professors, their professors will create these letters and send them to law schools that you apply to. This will show law schools how well of a student you are and will boost your application. Law school. After you complete undergraduate, you will need to apply to law schools. Law schools are typically 3-year programs and are very academically challenging. In law school, students will have to familiarize themselves with historical criminal cases, which will be discussed in class. You will also be introduced to many fields of law from which you will choose as your career. After graduation, you will receive a Juris Doctor degree. Before starting your career, you need to complete 2 tests. The first is the Multi-State Professional Responsibility Examination, which tests your professional and ethical conduct. Next, you need to complete the bar exam, which tests your knowledge on the law. Each state has a different bar exam and different rules for eligibility. For example, bar exams in California, Virginia, Vermont, and Washington allow people to take the exam without even going to law school. Though, no matter where you take it, it is a very hard exam to pass and will need lots of studying. After getting your license to practice law, you can choose what career you want. If you go into the court system, you can either become a prosecutor or a defense attorney. With enough experience, you can also become a judge. On the other hand, you can work for companies in their legal departments and help solve their legal issues. As I said before, there are many different specializations in law that you can choose to study and find careers in. After practicing law, you can move on to other careers of interest. Like many other law degree holders, you can run for office in the government. You can also work as a legal journalist and use your experience as a lawyer to write articles for newspapers. Many lawyers will also go into finance because the subjects have a lot of correlation, but you will still need to educate yourself on new topics that you not learn in law school. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, email us at dreambigorg2021@gmail.com, or join our Telegram group chat.